morning, Mom.
Okay, now do we have absent for today?
None, Mom.
Okay, that's great. Okay, I will present my screen. See my screen, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
Ma'am.
Mom.
Okay, now, by the way, my name is Teacher Kyle Trisha F. Canillo, but you can call me Teacher Kyle. Before we start our discussion, let's have first a review time. Okay, our past lesson is all about circulatory system, how the blood circulate our body. Let's have here a motivational activity. Before we start our discussion, this activity will give you an idea what is our lesson all about. I will going to present you a purpose in a one word. Okay, now are you ready, everyone?
Yes, Ma'am.
Yes, Mom.
Okay, that's great. Now I have here number one. What do you think is the answer of this one? It's an
Oxygen, Ma'am.
Very good. It's an oxygen. Now, how about number two?
Lungs, Mom.
Very good, Miss Nafisa. It's lungs. How about number three?
Exhale, Mom.
Yes, it's exhale. Very good for that. And those picture we have is related to our topic for today, which is a respiratory system. Now, our learning objective for today is analyze the human respiratory system parts. Letter B, we are going to explain the human respiratory system and functions. Draw a healthy life and explain why it is healthy. Okay, now let's start our discussion. Okay, first, what is respiration? So respiration is the term for the oxygen exchange of the oxygen from the environment and carbon dioxide from body's cell. Okay, this is the exchange of the oxygen from the environment, and when we are going to exhale this one, it's a carbon dioxide. Now, we have two processes occur during respiration, which are inhalation and exhalation. Okay, when we are going to say inhalation, okay, inhale, that is inhalation. Number two is exhalation. Okay, okay, in a simple term, inhalation is breathe in and exhalation is breathe out, as what we have observed in this picture. Breathe in, inhalation, and breathe out is exhalation. Now, let's move on to what is respiratory system. So, respiratory system helps us and allows us to talk and to smell. When we are going to talk, we exhale carbon dioxide. And when we are going to smell, we inhale oxygen. And also, it delivers oxygen to the cell in your body. As we all know that we are composed of many or millions of cells, and that cells help us to repair tissue and grow. Now, remove waste gases including carbon dioxide from the body when you inhale. It is not about when we are going to inhale, but also exhale, releasing carbon dioxide that doesn't need our body. Now let's move on to the parts of the respiratory system and its function. So now, let's have here the mouth and nose. Our mouth and our nose. Okay, this is the first part of the respiratory system. It opens the pull from air outside your body into your respiratory system. It is the first part of the respiratory system where the air comes in. So this is the nose and this is the mouth. Okay, now let's move on to the second part we have, which is the pharynx. Okay, also called as the throat. Okay, throat we have. So this is is the tube that delivers air from your mouth and nose to the trachea. This is the tube that delivers air from the mouth and our nose. After the mouth and our nose, the second is the pharynx, which is also called as the throat. Now let's move on to the larynx. So what is larynx? So larynx is a voice box, okay? It is also called as a voice box, okay? Hold your neck, okay? As what you have observed here, the thing that is vibrating is what we call larynx. That is the voice box that enables us to produce sounds. Now, let's move on to the trachea. After the larynx, now let's have here the trachea is also called as the windpipe. Okay, this is the trachea. A passage connecting your throat and your lungs. Okay, this is the passage connecting your throat and lungs and serve as the passage from your air, moistens and warm it will while it passes into your lungs. And also, it protects the respiratory surface from the accumulation of foreign particles. Okay, the trachea filters the oxygen that we are going to breathe in. Okay, so that when we go, it goes to our lungs. It's all filtered, and the foreign particles that doesn't need our body will pass on the trachea. Okay, now let's have here the bronchi. Okay, this is the bronchi that connects the trachea and direct your breath to your left and right lungs. Okay, this is the bronchi, the two tubes we have here that divides the air from the right lungs and the left lungs. So now let's move on to the main organ of the respiratory system. This is the lungs, the two organs that remove oxygen from the air and passes into your blood. Okay, this is where this is take place when our oxygen convert into the carbon dioxide. This is the main organ of the respiratory system. Look at the lungs we have here. We have in the left lung, we have 2 lobes, but in the right lungs we have 3 lobes. Okay, it enables us to have space of our heart. So now we have only 2 left lungs. Okay, now let's move on to the diaphragm. Okay, what is diaphragm? Diaphragm, muscles that help your lungs pulls into your air and pulls it up. Okay, it is the muscles that help us to breathe in and breathe out. Okay, now let's have here the ribs. Okay, this is the ribs we have. So this is the bones that protects or surround your lungs and heart so that it will not easily destroy. Now I have here a video for you why we need to take care our respiratory system. Okay, can you see my screen now, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
You hear?
A lifetime of healthier lungs. When you breathe, it's your lungs that are working. Air is pumped in and out of your lungs roughly 20,000 times every day. Thanks to your lungs, oxygen reaches your brain and your muscles, which keep you fit and healthy. If you've ever felt breathless or had difficulty breathing, you'll know it's not a nice feeling. You can take care of your lungs by opening your windows to air out the room, or by going for a walk. This ensures that you get fresh air into your lungs every day. You're also helping your lungs if you exercise on a daily basis. If you smoke, the best thing you can do for your lungs is to quit. Smoking can harm your lungs to such an extent that they can become seriously damaged. You can find out how healthy your lungs are by visiting your doctor and having your lungs tested. For more information,
okay, that is all about how to take care our lungs. Okay, now let's continue our discussion. Okay, I will going to present again my screen. Now, after we watch the video, we have here a value integration. Okay, respiratory system brings oxygen in into your body and helps to remove carbon dioxide, okay? It helps us to breathe in and breathe out. That keeps us alive, okay? Imagine things that we don't have respiratory system. We will not able to breathe in, and that thing we should take care of that, because there is a problems with the respiratory that can reduce the oxygen, which can make us unwell, or it will give us a disease. Okay, now, okay, before that, I will give you into two. Okay, the first group is Chad Justin and Mary Crystal, and the second group is Charlotte and the Pizza. Okay, can you please answer this one? Are you all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good for that. Now, let's move on to the summarization. So now, summarization. Who can analyze the human respiratory system parts? It's Charlene. What is the human respiratory system's parts?
Mouth and nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, and lungs, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Mouth, nose, trachea, and our lungs. Very good for that. Now, how about who can explain human respiratory system function? Okay, Mr. Chad Justin.
It helps to breathe in and breathe out.
Very good. Human respiratory system help us to breathe in and breathe out. Now, let's have here an activity. Okay, I will introduce to you the quizzes activity. Okay, this one. Okay, you will choose what is your answer. Okay, I have here two questions. The easy one and the average one. Okay, each of you has two questions to be answered. Now, let's start with first, which we have Mary Crystal, and second is Charlene, and third is Chad Justin. So now, let's start here. Okay, can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now, let's start. Okay, it's all the one side. Mary Crystal, it is trachea. Yes, very good. It's the trachea. Okay, how about when you breathe in, your lungs take in? Okay, what is this, Charlene?
B, ma'am, oxygen and carbon dioxide.
Yes, very good. It's oxygen and carbon dioxide. How about the main organ responsible for breathing is?
Ma'am, lung.
Yes, very good, Justin. It's lungs. Very good for that. Now, draw a healthy lungs and explain why it is healthy. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to answer that one. Are you all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, now, let's start with Mary Crystal. Okay, present your drawing.
Exercise ma'am.
Yes, very good. Yes, you have lungs, and you have a healthy lungs. You exercise. Now let's move on to Charlotte. Okay, why it is healthy lungs, Charlotte?
Prevent smoking, ma'am.
Yes, very good. It prevents smoking. Now, Justin.
Help our environment to have clean air, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Nice drawing. To help our environment to have a clean air. Very good for everyone. Now, you have all 10 points. A total of 15 points. Now, I have here an assignment for you. You can take a screenshot of this one. Are you done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now, thank you, everyone. Do you have any questions?
None, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, everyone, and keep safe. That's all for today. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Bye.
Goodbye, ma'am.